So, how do you find YouTube comments? Is there a comment you want to find or a specific word included? Looking for a comment that's buried in the comment section? Well, here is how to find comments in YouTube videos. There are two ways, sort of, to find YouTube comments. First one is this website called YouTube Comment Finder. Works on PC and on mobile. To search comments, first find a video. If you want to search a video, then type anything and search. It works the same as the YouTube search engine, as it uses the same API that YouTube has. You can search before or after dates of videos too. Also just paste a URL and skip all of that. To search a comment, type a keyword and it will show the comments containing that keyword. You can type it incompletely and it still shows up, but not backwards. And there it is, a comment. Time is recent comments. Relevance is top comments, but it's broken and does not work. And if you want to search a channel, then type the YouTube URL itself and the handle. Handles itself won't work though, and it will search it for you. It will search all the comments with a keyword on the channel's video. Clicking show comment will direct to YouTube and it will highlight it for you. And there's the other one, the YouTube comment search extension. The old one doesn't work. This is the new one. See, the comment counter is still 0. Just click load all. It's very slow compared to the website. And to stop loading, click stop. To search only for the comments, click this menu and select comments. To select for the username, click extended search and click tile. To search for the comment itself, and click main. The good thing about this website is you can see timestamps or when the timestamps occur. You can see comments from the creator and hearted comments, verified users, links, the most liked, the number of replies, channel members, and donations or super thanks, and all, which is the default. The biggest problem with this is you can only search comments on videos only. So that's the two ways of finding YouTube comments. So what's the point of finding comments? To find insults, of course. Look at this. These comments, man. Really funny. Or to find a song. Or you find a comment, but you forgot the username. Thanks for watching this video. You see, I live in a very poor area, filled with filth and garbage, unable to fix this or escape due to financial restrictions. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also go to my Patron page to be one of my patrons. See you all next time in another video.